demystified. Today we will see Prasarita Padottanasana. So the grammatically accepted Sanskrita expression for this asana is Prasarita Padottanasana. The words that are there in this asana are Prasarita, Pada, Uttana, and Asanam. The conjunct split is Prasarita Pada plus Uttana, Prasarita Padottana. Prasarita Padottana Asanam, Prasarita Padottanasanam. And then the compound split is Uttanam Asanam, Uttanasanam, the stretched posture. Prasaritau Padau Yasmin Tat Prasarita Padam, that in which both the feet are spread. That is Prasarita Padam. Prasarita Padam Uttanasanam, Prasarita Paduttanasanam. That stretched posture in which both the feet are spread. Thank you.